Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss about quadratic equations. Okay. So quadratic equations. So first of all define what are quadratic equations. The equation which is of form a x square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a, b and c are all real numbers and b is non-zero. These type of equations are known as quadratic equation. For example, the equation 2x square plus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0. Quadratic means the equation whose degree is 2. So here x is having the highest power 2, and this type of equation in which the degree of the polynomial is 2, that is known as the quadratic equation. Now we are going to discuss about the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. Actually, quadratic formula is used to find the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, now what are roots? Roots means values of unknown variable which we are using here. Okay, now the roots of the quadratic equation is given by roots of quadratic equations is the value of x, and it is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. So these are the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, so what is b here? B is the coefficient of x, a is the coefficient of x square, and c is the constant term. Next, nature of the roots. Here we use d also. This is my quadratic formula. So there is a discriminant d. So it can also be written as x is equals to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a, where d is equals to b square minus 4ac. D is the discriminant. Now we have its nature also. Nature of roots. What is the nature of roots? First case is here when d is greater than 0. So what is d here? The d is b square minus 4ac. If the value of d is coming out to be greater than 0, or we can say positive value, then we say that two distinct real roots will be there. Two distinct real roots will be there. But if d is coming equals to 0, then we say that two equal real roots will exist. Third case is if d is less than 0. If d is coming out to be less than 0, then no real roots exist. So these are the three nature of roots. So we have to solve the quadratic equation, and we have another methods for solving the quadratic equations. Solution of quadratic equation. So there are two methods by solving the quadratic equation. First method is by completing the square, and second method is by factorization. So these are the two methods by which we can find the solutions of the quadratic equation. Thank you.